In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find absentee owner leads in Propwire. In order to do that, first head over to your propwire.com and from in there you can search for specific lead types as well as locations. For this case, proceed to sign up if you don't have an account or proceed to log in if you already have one. So let's find absentee owner leads using this. Let's head over right here into our dashboard. And once you're in here, you can see this. Just right here, the address that you want. I'll head over and just choose New York. Once that's been chosen, click onto this lead types. So this can help sort of the leads. On this case, let's choose absentee owners. Now from in there, it will show you some properties that actually have some absentee owners. We have in here only trust owned, corporate owned, individuals, and the likes. So you can see in here the value of the property, equity if available, as well as other options for this. So on my case, let's head over and click onto this one. And you can see the actual leads right there. You can see the picture of the property as well as the estimated property value if it's already been sold or the likes. You can see here the square feet as well as the lot square feet it has. You can see the mortgage balance, equity, lender name right here, as well as the balance for that, estimated rates, loan types, loan positions, and the likes. You can see in here the owner as well as the comps that we have into this part, the histories, and the market for this. We have in here the method for the purchase, which is transferring deeds right here. And you can find in here past transactions with this particular owner. As you can see, it's recently bought by this seller and it's been bought right there. You can find the sale price directly from here as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.